Hello everyone. We will do present perfect continuous tense today. Present perfect continuous tense is used to express an action which has started in past but is still continuing and not completed so far. It means present perfect continuous tense हम कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं? उस एक्शन को, उस वर्क को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए जो स्टार्ट तो पास्ट में हुआ था बट स्टिल इट हैज़ नॉट फिनिश्ड, वो अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हुआ. In this tense, starting time of action will always be given, like since 2007, since July, since Monday, for some days, for 2 months, for 3 years, etc. It means कि इस टेंस में हमें जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात है कि इस टेंस में स्टार्टिंग टाइम ऑफ एक्शन इज ऑलवेज मैंशनड. वो हमेशा ही मेंशन किया होता है starting time of action. Now we will deal with affirmative sentences of present perfect continuous tense, and the first example is she has been living in this home for 2 months. वो 2 months से इस घर में रह रही है. They have been working on this project for many years. वो काफ़ी ईयर से इस प्रोजेक्ट पर वर्क कर रहे हैं. He has been teaching in this school since 1990. वो 1990 इस स्कूल में टीच कर रहा है. राधा हैज़ बीन स्लीपिंग सिंस 4 o'clock. राधा 4 बजे से सो रही है. इट हैज़ बीन रेनिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग. मॉर्निंग से बारिश हो रही है. And rules for the same. First of all, we will use subject. We have already discussed what is subject, what is verb, and what is object. So we will use subject first. After that, we will use the helping verbs. We have already discussed this one also, that what are helping verbs. Helping verb, we will use has or have. Then we will use been. Then first form of verb, ing, object, plus for or since, then time, then plus extra information in the sentence. After this, we will discuss use of for and since. Means where to use for and where to use since. For is used before uncertain time. Means for हम कहाँ पे use करेंगे? Uncertain time के लिए. Like 6 hours. हमें नहीं पता कौन से 6 hours. दिन के 6 hour या शाम के या रात के 6 hour. 8 hours. Few days. हमें नहीं पता कौन से days. किस month के days, किस year के days. 5 days. Again the same thing. Few months. हमें नहीं पता कौन से month की बात करें. Some months. 1 year. We don't know कौन सा year. For a long time. Again uncertain time. हमें नहीं पता कितना लंबा time, कितना long time. For many years. Again uncertain. For many days. Again uncertain. So what we have observed that we use for with before uncertain time, and since is used before certain time. Since हम कहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं? Certain time के लिए. For example, 5 o'clock हमें पता है exact 5 o'clock. 6 PM हमें पता है exact है, certain time है. 4 AM again certain time. Saturday, all the days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. September, all the months. July, then years. 2014, 2017, 1947, 1948, etc. Since long. Yesterday, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Morning, evening, night, noon, afternoon. Birth, beginning, then, when. So we use since before certain time. After this, we will deal with negative sentences of present perfect continuous tense, and the first example is she has not been living in this home for 2 months. वो 2 months से इस घर में नहीं रह रही है. They have not been working on this project for many years. He has not been teaching in this school since 1990. Radha has not been sleeping since 4 o'clock. It has not been raining since morning. सुबह से बारिश नहीं हो रही है. So, what we have observed that we are simply using not after the helping verbs. Here, in this tense, we are using helping verb has and have, and in negative sentences, we are just using not after these helping verbs. Means हम helping verb has और have के पीछे सिर्फ not लगाएंगे और हमारा negative sentence frame हो जाएगा. And rules for the same: subject, then has or have, plus not, plus been, then first form of verb, ing, object, for or since, time, then extra information in the sentence. After that, interrogative sentences of present perfect continuous tense. Has she been living in this home for 2 months? क्या वो 2 months से इस घर में रह रही है? Have they been working on this project for many years? क्या वो 2 साल से इस प्रोजेक्ट पर काम कर रहे हैं? Has she been teaching in this school since 1990? क्या वो 1919 से इस स्कूल में पढ़ा रही है? Has Radha been sleeping since 4 o'clock? क्या राधा 4 o'clock से सो रही है? Has it been raining since morning? क्या सुबह से बारिश हो रही है? So, it is again very simple. We are just to change the position of helping verb. हमने has और have को sentence के बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग में लगाना है, and in this case we can frame our interrogative sentences. And rules for the same: has or have, then subject, been, plus first form of verb, ing, object, then for or since, then time, then extra information in the sentence, and sign of interrogation. Now, sentences regarding WH family. We have already discussed in our previous video what is WH family. WH family consists words that starts from W or H. For example, what, where, why, when, how, etc. And the sentences are: why has she been living in this home for 2 months? वो 2 months से इस घर में क्यों रह रही है? Why have they been working on this project for many years? वो काफ़ी सालों से इस प्रोजेक्ट पर काम क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why has she been teaching in this school since 1990? वो 1990 से इस स्कूल में क्यों पढ़ा रही है? Why has Radha been sleeping since 4 o'clock? राधा 4 बजे से क्यों सो रही है? How has it been raining since morning? मॉर्निंग से बारिश कैसे हो रही है? What have you been doing for 2 hours? आप 2 घंटे से क्या कर रहे हो? So rules for the same. It is very simple to use WH family in interrogative sentences. These are simply used before interrogative sentences. So friends, that was all about present perfect continuous tense to the best of my knowledge. I hope you all understood it very well. Thank you very much for listening to me. God bless you all.